Hey y'all, it's Elliot and today is my first day of vlogging. So I'm really excited. Right now I'm waiting on some worms to be delivered from Favor. I placed an order and they went to Walmart and were sold out. So I placed a second order at a different location and I'm hoping that they have live worms there because I really need them and I really didn't want to go to Walmart right now because it's just a huge store and there's so many people there and COVID and everything. I just didn't want to get my baby and I out there. So my son Theodore will be coming fishing with me today. We're going to a lake that I've been to many times before. I caught a huge catfish there one time. I haven't had so much luck recently. I haven't had that much luck. So they were supposed to stock it yesterday with rainbow trout. So I'm really hoping that we catch something today. Catfish, rainbow trout, anything. That would be really cool. So yeah, that's about it right now. Just waiting for the worms and then we'll be on our way. So Favor came through. We got our Canadian night crawlers. I like to get 2 containers usually. And I like to get the large ones, the big worms. Let's see how they look. Ew! Those are the good juicy ones. And now it is time to go fishing. So before we go, I just wanted to show y'all my son Theodore and how cute he is. He is passed out hard right now. So this is fishing with a 7-month-old. We have our lines out already. I didn't film that part of it, but basically I'm just using stink bait for the catfish and worms for the trout, which I don't know if that's gonna work, but we'll see. And this is our view. So yeah, here we are. We're waiting now. So we are sitting and waiting now, waiting to catch a fish. Ted is having the time of his life. And this is what it's like fishing with a baby. Yeah. First one. Yeah.
You got?
Yeah. There he is.
Alright.
Awesome.
Unhook it.
Let's see if I can get it.
Put it on the ground. lay everything on the ground. Be a lot easier.
Let me see, dude.
Oh. So first,
it's hard to do with the baby.
Yeah, so first push in. Here. Let it go, let it go. Let it just drop, let it just drop. Do you want to see?
Yeah.
Alright. So, get that hook, push it in, and then do a back and forth motion. In and out until, boom.
Woo!
Pops out.
Yes. So one thing I've learned is I really don't like vlogging in public, but that's okay. Here's Ted. Teddy! I don't know if you can see us. Here's our setup. We got the little mini tackle box, my fishing bag, Ted's stroller, and then we have a nice little area set up for Ted. And then we have our pole set up. And this is Ted now, taking a nap. He has milk all over his face. And we are still waiting. See if we can get another one. There's some real fishermen around here. It's like everyone found out that they were stalking this place and came out here today. It's usually not this packed. But now there's a plane going, so I'm gonna go. No, I don't think he's on there. He was biting it though. Unless he's really small.
No.
No, he took it.
Oh yeah. Maybe the buildings are full. Huh? Maybe they fed them before they released them. That's what you do. Maybe they're just
Can I just catch yours?
yeah. Exactly what it's cut.
Yeah, I just slipped.